Alright guys, so in this part of Amazon FBA Wholesale series, I'm going to show you how you can actually list your Amazon FBA Wholesale product to your Amazon Seller Center. So as you guys already know that in the past videos of this series, I have already explained you what is the Amazon FBA Wholesale business model, why it is safe and why it is better than other, and how you can actually get a lot of money by less investment. And then in the later videos, I explained you that how you can actually find the winning product for this model and how you can find a supplier and how you can get the buy box. So if you haven't watched those videos, so go there on my playlist, watch all of those videos because there is a lot of cool information there which can definitely help you to grow your business. But for now, for this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually list your Amazon FBA wholesale product after finding the product and a supplier. Because there is little difference between listing the wholesale product and a private label product. But you can do it very easily after watching this short video. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales. And if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue. And a cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on Amazon.com right now. So I have searched Rubbermaid here and just pick any product which is a wholesale product. So I can just show you how you can list that product in your seller center. So let's go down and see which is a product we can list as a wholesale product. So these are all the products which are sold by Amazon, and if we find a product which is having more than one FBA seller here, you can see that this is a very cool product having 7 FBA seller and the BSL is very good. So I think if you can find a supplier for this product, this can be a winner product. So let's open this one. You can see that the selling price is very good, the reviews are good, the sales are good, and everything is good for this product. So after opening that listing, just go down and grab the ASIN of this listing, which is here. So after copying the ASIN of this listing, just go into your Seller Central, and from there on the left side, just click on catalog and click on add product. So here if you are listing the private label product, so you need to click on this option like I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. But as now you are listing an Amazon FBA wholesale product, like you want to sell on this same listing. This listing is already present on Amazon for a long ago and there are many sellers selling on this listing. The price is good, it is having too much reviews, and this listing is actually getting good sales regularly. So this is already present on Amazon. You are not making a new listing. So that's why you don't need to click on this feature. You just need to click on here and paste the ASIN of that listing and click on search. Because that is the beauty of this model. You don't need to create a new listing with 0 reviews and 0 sales. You can just sell your product on the existing listing, which is already a mature listing having reviews and having sales and having sellers. So you can just start getting your sales from day first if you work hard. And here in the offer you can see that 9 used and new. That means 9 sellers are selling on this listing. So we can just confirm it from here as well. If we go down and see on the right side and click on this tab, so you can see that these are all of those sellers who are selling on this listing. You can see their storefront name like deals for all, bargains to go, home deals, and so on. So if 9 sellers are selling on the same listing, that means they are getting profit and they are getting sales. That's why they are selling. So it means it's a very good product having a mature listing with mature sales and mature review. So if you will sell this product, so you will be the 10th seller. And you'll also get buy box and get sales from day first. So let's go back to Seller Central, and from here on the right side click on select condition, and from here click on new if you're selling new. So after selecting the condition, you can see this button apply to sell is green. So if you click on that, so it will take you to the selling application page, because Rubbermaid is a big brand and before selling on this listing, you must need to show them the invoice from the verified supplier or distributor from which you have purchased the inventory. So if you are having the invoice, you can just click on this yellow button which is request approval, and here you can just fill out this form and upload your invoice. So after uploading the invoice, click on submit. So Amazon will review your invoice, and if that invoice will be from genuine supplier, so Amazon will allow you to sell on this listing, and in this tab here, your storefront will also start showing there. So as you know that Rubbermaid is a big brand, that's why it's asking for approval. But for some of the small brands which don't require approval, when you click on apply to sell, so it will instantly list that product in your seller center without having any approval. So this is a quick and easy way to list your Amazon FBA wholesale product. And if you want to learn more about Amazon FBA wholesale, how you can win the buy box to get maximum sales, then I recommend you to watch my other videos in this wholesale playlist. So go there, watch that video, and let me know if it helps you. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.